I'm doing this video because there isn't one on YouTube. I've searched and searched and nothing, absolutely nothing. So this is the clutch lever replacement on Ninja 1000 2018. The difference here, I'm not gonna go through the standard stuff. Obviously there's your 10mm bolt holding it from top to the bottom. You undo it from the bottom. That's not the point. Watch for this, I suppose, some safety pin that detects whether your clutch is pressed in or not. So the difference here is you can actually remove the lever, the old lever, mine is broken, without separating the cable. That's the new thing. Most levers, most videos will show you that to replace the lever you have to undo the clutch cable, and this is not true for this bike, as you can see here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's held in place still. So that's what you need to know. This adjuster here holds it, so this piece holds the clutch cable, not the lever itself. So now I'm just installing the lever, so don't be caught off guard like I was. Okay, so here I've connected them too. That's my new lever now. Watch, the cylinder is gonna also fall out once you separate them. So separation happens on its own. The clutch lever, once you pull it out, it's almost gonna fall out. And once again, I did not have to remove the clutch cable because it's held in, as you can see from this shot here, by the top part, okay, which is not what you're replacing. So that's on a 2018 Ninja 1000. Obviously watch for the safety pin, because you can break it if you start pressing on your clutch lever, fixing the install without pushing it in. And this is obviously the opposite of the removal, so I'm again standard here, 10mm, holding it through the nut at the bottom. Once again, the new thing is the clutch lever does not hold the cable. And watch for the pin. There you go. Watch for this white pin right here, so you don't break it.